Alright, this is a brand new fitting, and I got disturbed while trying to make this video. I got disturbed twice. I was showing taking off this, and then I got a phone call. I was trying to show putting the nylon around the O-ring and the fittings before putting the brass piece threaded into the chrome plug, and I got a phone call and knocked me off. So here we go again. So that shaft down inside there where that O-ring is, it leaks down in there. That's a leak point. So you want to do that and fill that up. And you don't want this nylon where you want something to stick, unfortunately. And God, nylon is just like the messiest shit. Okay, so you got the nylon on there. Now, since I'm doing this for video, I'm not going to clean this off, and I'm using one hand with a sticker where it wants to stick to me. But you would clean that off with alcohol so your sticker would stick on there. It won't with nylon. But then you put your sticker back on there, and now you won't develop a vacuum leak through that shaft, because vacuum cannot pull through silicone grease, or it cannot pull through nylon red or nylon blue. I just happened to grab this one right now. And then see that brand new O-ring way down inside there? See that green? You don't want to slide that over some dry metal like what you would be doing right here. So the O-ring seals on this long barrel right there. It slips over the outside. So you want to lubricate that. So on your brand new service fitting, you do this every time. Don't slip it over anything dry or rough or damaged. There you go. And now you can pull your coupling back and slip it over, and it will lubricate your O-ring. There. Now vacuum cannot leak past that O-ring. Vacuum cannot leak past that O-ring. Vacuum cannot leak past that shaft. Now there's one other place I didn't show you yet. I've showed you on other videos. Those threads, you need to fill up that whole thread area. Now this is where it gets messy. But you take the nylon, and I can't do this one-handed with the video. You take the nylon and you go all the way around here, and when you thread it down, vacuum cannot pull up that shaft that I showed you in. The vacuum will pull through the threads and up down to the shaft, and you can have a vacuum leak there. So you fill the threads up when you pull them down. So now you've stopped access of vacuum in 4 places. The vacuum can't leak past that O-ring, that shaft up through under the sticker, or past the threads. Now you have a vacuum rated airtight seal that cannot possibly mess with your deep vacuum readings or vacuum decay test. Alright guys, I'll catch you later. See ya.